Yavadunam Saudhunikritya Vargam cha yojayet. Whatever the deficiency, lessen it further by that amount and set up the square of that deficiency. This deals with the squaring of numbers near a base of powers of 10. The procedure is as follows. Take the nearest power of 10 as base. Number n base b, difference between number and base deviation is d. So n minus b or b minus n is d. If n is less than b, number is less than smaller than base, LHS equal to n minus d number minus deviation. If n greater than b, that is number more than base, LHS equal to n plus d number plus deviation. RHS is d square. Please note that the number of digits on the right hand side would be equal to number of zeros in the base. It means that when there is less number of digits on the right hand side than the number of zeros in the base, you make it equal by adding zeros on the right side before the figure. When the number of digits on the right side are more than the number of zeros in the base, the additional digits are carried over to the left side. We have learnt in Nikilam 9 square is 9 stroke minus 1, again 9 stroke minus 1, that is 8 stroke 1, that is 81. 7 square is 7 stroke minus 3, 7 stroke minus 3, that is 4 stroke 9 equal to 49. 11 square is 11 stroke plus 1, 11 stroke plus 1, that is 12 stroke 1, that is 121. Similarly, 98 square equal to is 98 stroke minus 2 multiplied by 98 stroke minus 2, that is 96 stroke 04, that is equal to 9604. 91 square is 91 stroke minus 9, 91 stroke minus 9 equal to 82 stroke 81, that is 8281. 107 square is 107 stroke plus 7, 107 plus stroke plus 7, that is 114 stroke 49 equal to 11,449. The meaning of the sutra is whatever the deficiency, subtract that deficit from the number or add that deficit to the number and write alongside the square of that deficit. This sutra can be applicable to obtain squares of numbers close to basis of powers of 10. We'll take an example. As per sutra, we can calculate 96 square as follows. 96 square, here base is 100, deficit is 100 minus 96 equal to 4, square of deficit is equal to 16. Deficit subtracted from the number 96 gives 96 minus 4 equal to 92. So answer is 92 stroke 16. Thus 96 square equal to 9216. This can be stated as 96 square equal to 96 minus 100 minus 96 stroke 100 minus 96 square equal to 96 minus 4 stroke 4 square, that is equal to 92 stroke 16 equal to 9216. The algebraic explanation for calculating square of a number may be stated as number square equal to number minus base minus number stroke base minus number square. In the same manner, as per sutra, we can calculate 103 square as follows. 103 square, here base is 100. Deficit is 103 minus 100 equal to 3. Square of deficit is 9. Deficit added to the number 103 gives 103 plus 3 equal to 106. The answer is 106 stroke 09. Thus 103 square equal to 10609. This can be stated as 103 square equal to 103 plus 103 minus 100 stroke 103 minus 100 square. So 103 plus t stroke 3 square, that is equal to 106 stroke 09 equal to 10609. The algebraic expression for calculating square of a number may be stated as number square equal to number minus base minus number stroke base minus number square, or number square equal to number plus number minus base stroke number minus base square. Using same sutra, the square can be calculated as follows. B is base and D is deviation. B plus D or B minus D is number. B plus D square equal to B square plus 2BD plus D square equal to B into bracket B plus 2D plus D square, that is equal to B plus D plus D plus D square, that is equal to base into number plus deviation square. If it is B minus D square, B square minus 2BD plus D square, that is B multiplied by B minus 2D plus D square, that is equal to B into B minus D plus D square, that is equal to base into number minus deviation plus deviation square. So we can calculate 96 square in the following manner. Base B is 100, number is 96, deviation D is 100 minus 96, that is 4. So B minus D square equal to B multiplied by B minus D plus D square, that is 100 minus 4 square equal to 96 square. So 96 square equal to 100 multiplied by 96 minus 4 plus 4 square, that is 100 multiplied by 92 plus 16, that is equal to 9200 plus 16 equal to 9216. It may be explained in another manner also. X number, y is deviation, so x plus y or x minus y is base. X square minus y square equal to x plus y multiplied by x minus y. So x square equal to x plus y multiplied by x minus y plus y square. So 96 square equal to 96 plus 4 multiplied by 96 minus 4 plus 4 square, that is 100 into 92 plus 16, that is 9200 plus 16 equal to 9216. In this case, if number is smaller than base, then number plus deviation equal to base, and if number is bigger than base, then number minus deviation is base. Base being equal to power of 10, multiplication is easy. So we have three formulae for getting square of a number. A, first formula, number square equal to number minus base minus number stroke deviation square. Example, 96 square equal to 96 minus 100 minus 96 stroke 100 minus 96 square. Or number square equal to number plus number minus base stroke deviation square. So example, 103 square equal to 103 plus 103 minus 100 stroke 103 minus 100 square. B second formula, number square equal to base multiplied by number plus or minus deviation plus deviation square. So examples, 96 square equal to 100 multiplied by 96 minus 4 plus 4 square. Another example, 103 square equal to 100 multiplied by 103 plus 3 plus 103 minus 100 square. See third formula, number square equal to number plus deviation multiplied by number minus deviation plus deviation square. So examples, 96 square equal to 96 plus 4 multiplied by 96 minus 4 plus 4 square. Second example, 103 square equal to 103 plus 3 multiplied by 103 minus 3 plus 3 square. Now this sutra is not applicable in this formula, but is very simple and convenient to use. That's the reason it is given here. Let us take some examples by using above three formulae. This is table showing squares of numbers using three formulas shown above. So, uh, 9 square. First formula, 9 minus 10 minus 9 stroke 10 minus 9 square equal to 9 minus 1 stroke 1 square equal to 81. Second formula, 10 multiplied by 9 minus 10 minus 9 plus 10 minus 9 square equal to 10 multiplied by 9 minus 1 plus 1 square equal to 80 plus 1, that is 81. Third formula gives 9 plus 1 multiplied by 9 minus 1 equal to plus 1 square equal to 10 into 8 plus 1, that is 81. Second example, 8 square. 8 minus 10 minus 8 stroke 10 minus 8 square equal to 8 minus 2 stroke 2 square equal to 64. Second formula, 10 multiplied by 8 minus 10 minus 8 plus 10 minus 8 square equal to 10 multiplied by 8 minus 2 plus 2 square, that is 60 plus 4 equal to 64. Third formula gives 8 plus 2 multiplied by 8 minus 2 plus 2 square equal to 10 into 6 plus 4 equal to 64. Third example, 11 square. 11 plus 11 minus 10 stroke 11 minus 10 square equal to 11 plus 1 stroke 1 square equal to 12 stroke 1, that is 121. Second formula, 10 multiplied by 11 plus 11 minus 10 plus 11 minus 10 square equal to 10 multiplied by 11 plus 1 plus 1 square, that is 10 multiplied by 12 plus 1 equal to 121. Third formula gives 11 plus 1 multiplied by 11 minus 1 plus 1 square equal to 12 into 10 plus 1, that is 121. 13 square. 13 plus 13 minus 10 stroke 13 minus 10 square equal to 13 plus 3 stroke 3 square equal to 16 stroke 9 equal to 169. Second formula gives 10 multiplied by 13 plus 13 minus 3 plus 13 minus 10 square, that is 10 multiplied by 13 plus 3 plus 3 square equal to 160 plus 9, that is equal to 169. Third formula gives 13 plus 3 multiplied by 13 minus 3 plus 3 square equal to 16 minus 16 multiplied by 10, 16 multiplied by 10 plus 9 equal to 160 plus 9, that is 169. Next example, 91 square. First formula, 91 minus 100 minus 91 stroke 100 minus 91 square equal to 91 minus 9 stroke 9 square, that is equal to 82 stroke 81 equal to 8281. Second formula gives 100 multiplied by 91 minus 100 minus 91 plus 9 square, that is 100 multiplied by 91 minus 9 plus 81 equal to 8200 plus 81 equal to 8281. Third formula gives 91 plus 9 multiplied by 91 minus 9 plus 9 square equal to 100 into 82 plus 81 equal to 8200 plus 81, that is 8281. Next example is 94 square. 94 minus 100 and 100 minus 94 stroke 100 minus 94 square equal to 94 minus 6 stroke 6 square, that is 88 stroke 36 equal to 8836. Second example, second formula, 100 multiplied by 94 minus 100 minus 94 plus 6 square, that is 100 multiplied by 94 minus 6 plus 36, that is 8800 plus 36 equal to 8836. Third formula gives 94 plus 6 multiplied by 94 minus 6 plus 6 square equal to 100 into 88 plus 36 equal to 8800 plus 36 equal to 8836. 103 square, first formula, 103 plus 103 minus 100 stroke 103 minus 100 square equal to 103 plus 3 stroke 3 square, that is 106 stroke 09 equal to 10,609. Second formula, 100 multiplied by 103 plus 103 minus 100 plus 3 square, that is equal to 100 multiplied by 103 plus 3 plus 9, 100 equal to 100 multiplied by 106 plus 9, that is 10,600 plus 9, that is equal to 10,609. Third formula gives 103 plus 3 multiplied by 103 minus 3 plus 3 square equal to 106 multiplied by 100 plus 9, that is 10,609. Next example, 108 square. 108 plus 108 minus 100 stroke 108 minus 100 square, that is 108 plus 8 stroke 8 square equal to 116 stroke 64, that is equal to 11,664. Second formula, 100 multiplied by 108 plus 108 minus 100 plus 8 square equal to 100 multiplied by 108 plus 8 plus 64, that is equal to 100 multiplied by 116 plus 64, that is 11,600 plus 64, that is equal to 11,664. The third formula gives 108 plus 8 multiplied by 108 minus 8 plus 8 square equal to 116 multiplied by 100 plus 64, that is 11,664. Third example, 989. So first formula, 989 minus 1000 minus 989 stroke 1000 minus 989 square equal to 989 minus 11 stroke 11 square equal to 978 stroke 121, that is 9,78,121. Second formula, 1000 multiplied by 989 minus 1000 minus 989 plus 11 square, that is equal to 1000 multiplied by 989 minus 11 plus 11 square, that is 978,000 plus 121 equal to 9,78,121. Third formula gives 999 plus 11 multiplied by 999 minus 11 plus 11 square, that is equal to 1000 into 978 plus 11 square, that is 9,78,121. There is some exercise. Apply Yavadunam to find the following squares: 14 square, second 987 square, third 116 square, fourth 1012 square, fifth 19 square, sixth 475 square, seventh 796 square, eighth 9988 square, ninth 6014 square, 10 17 square, 11 29 square, 12 49 square, 13th 41 square, 14th 775 square, 15 85 square, 16 87 square, 17 81 square, 18 79 square, 19 77 square, 28 84 square, 21 93 square, 22nd 99 square, 23 101 square, 24 104 square, 25th 102 square, 26th 112 square, 27th 115 square, 28th 113 square. When the numbers are near to multiples of 10, 100, etc., not to power of 10, 100, etc., we combine the Upasutra, Anurupena and Yavadunam Tavadunikritya Vargamcha Yojayat together. Example, 388 square, nearest base is 100, 400. We treat 400 as 4 into 100. As the number is less than the base, we proceed as follows. Number 388, deficit is 400 minus 388 equal to 12. Since it is less than base, deduct the deficit, that is 388 minus 12 equal to 376. Multiply this result by 4 since base is 4 into 100 equal to 400. So 376 multiplied by 4 equal to 1504. Square of deficit 12 is 144. Hence answer is 154, 1504 stroke 144 equal to 150544, since we have taken multiples of 100. Second example, 485, nearest base is 500. Treat 500 as 5 into 100. 485 square equal to 485 minus 15 stroke 15 square, that is deficit is 15. So equal to 470 stroke 225 multiplied 470 multiplied by 5 multiply by 5 since base is taken as pi into 100 equal to 2350 stroke 225, that is equal to 235225. Third example, 67 square nearest base is 70. 67 square equal to 67 minus 3 stroke 3 square, that is equal to 64 stroke 9. 64 multiplied by 7 since base is 7 into 10 equal to 70. So that is becomes 448 stroke 9 equal to 4489. Fourth example, 416 square nearest base is 400. 416 square equal to 416 plus 16 stroke 16 squares. Here surplus is 16. That is equal to 432 stroke 256. Since base is multiple of 100, 56 is to be taken on right hand side and 2 is to be taken to left hand side. Now 432 multiplied by 4, since base is 4 and 4 into 100, that is 400. So that equals 1728 stroke 256 equal to 1730 56. Example 5. 5012 square nearest base is 5000. 5012 square equal to 5012 plus 12 stroke 12 square equal to 5024 stroke 144. Since base is pi into 1000 equal to pi and 1000, so 5024 is multiplied by 5, that equals 25120 stroke 144, that is equal to 25120 We continue the examples where base is multiple of power of 10, 100, etc. in the table we used earlier. We observe here that in the second and third formulae, figure of base is taken in the calculation, so there is no need to multiply or divide by the multiple to the power of 10, 100, etc. Now we start with examples. 388 square, first formula, 388 minus 400 minus 388, the stroke 400 minus 388 square, that is 388 minus 12 multiplied by 4, base is 4 into 100, stroke 12 square. So 376 multiplied by 4 stroke 144 equal to 1504 stroke 144, that is 1,50,544. The second formula, 400 multiplied by 388 minus 400 minus 388 plus 12 square, that is 400 multiplied by 388 minus 12 plus 144 equal to 400 into 376 plus 144 equal to 150 400 plus 144 equal to 1505 44. Third formula, 388 plus 12 multiplied by 388 minus 12 plus 12 square equal to 400 into 376 plus 144 equal to 150400 plus 144 equal to 1505 44. Next example, 485 square. 485 minus 500 minus 485 stroke 500 minus 485 square, that is 485 minus 15 multiplied by 5 stroke 15 square equal to 470 into 5 stroke 225 equal to 2350 stroke 225, That gives answer 235225. Next formula, 500 multiplied by 485 minus 500 minus 485 plus 15 square, that is equal to 500 stroke multiplied by 485 minus 15 plus 225 equal to 500 into 470 plus 225, that is 2350 plus 225. The answer is 235225. Third formula, 485 plus 15 multiplied by 485 minus 15 plus 15 square equal to 500 into 470 plus 225 equal to 235225. 67 square, 67 minus 70 minus 67 stroke 70 minus 67 square equal to 67 minus 3 multiplied by 7 stroke 3 square equal to 64 into 7 stroke 9 equal to 4489. Second formula, 70 stroke multiplied by 67 minus 70 minus 67 plus 3 square, that is equal to 70 multiplied by 67 minus 3 plus 9 equal to 70 into 64 plus 9 equal to 4480 plus 9, that is 4489. The third formula gives 67 plus 3 multiplied by 67 minus 3 plus 3 square, that is equal to 70 into 64 plus 9 equal to 4480 plus 9, that is 4489. Next example is 416 square. First formula, 416 plus 416 minus 400 stroke 16 square, that is 416 plus 16 multiplied by 4 stroke 256, that is 1728 stroke 256 equal to 173,056. Second formula, 400 multiplied by 416 plus 416 minus 400 plus 16 square equal to 400 into 416 plus 16 plus 256. So 400 into 432 plus 256, that gives 172800 plus 256. So answer 173056. The third formula is 416 plus 16 multiplied by 416 minus 16 plus 16 square equal to 432 into 400 plus 256 equal to 173056. The last example, 5012 square. So 5012 plus 5012 minus 5000 stroke 12 square equal to 5012 plus 12 multiplied by 5 stroke 144. So 5024 multiplied by 5 stroke 144, that is 25 12 144 144, sorry. 5000 multiplied by 5012 plus 5012 minus 5000 plus 12 square, that is 5000 multiplied by 5012 plus 12 plus 144. So 5000 multiplied by 5024 plus 144, that gives 25 12 0000 plus 144, that is 25 12 144. The third formula gives 50 12 plus 12 multiplied by 50 12 minus 12 plus 12 square, that is 50 24 multiplied by 5000 plus 144, that is 25 12 0144. Now the exercise, First example 43 square, second 503 square, third 225 square, and fourth 72 square.